Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, there's awesome new coupons to print, especially some deals with Ibotta. So I always print my coupons on Swagbucks. I tell you guys this every single time because I get points for printing off coupons. But let's just dig in and see what they got for new coupons to print. So they did add $1 off Tabasco if you guys are interested in that. I'm not printing that off quite yet because sometimes those come up in the inserts. Sorry, I just woke up. They got 75 cents off of cheese. Here's a great coupon for Colgate. Now print those off. Those will not be around for long. But there's no deals that I know for sure to use them, but still save them because you never know. Great coupon, $1 off of 2 for Kellogg's. We got $3 off Nexus, $2 off Dial or Tone Body Wash, so it's $2 off of 2. Here we have $1 off of Keebler, Periodontics, Sensodyne. Here we got another Dial coupon. So it is for foaming wash, liquid hand soap, or soap refills, or 3 bars. So definitely use that one up. And then that seems to be about it. I really like the Dial coupons. I don't get Dial ever, so but definitely use those. And then you can use those at Walmart right now. There's a lot of Dial deals. And then they also have the $2 off 50 trash bags for Glad. So print those guys off, especially the Colgate. The Colgate is a high value one and it will not be around for long. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.